morning to all our video subscribers all over the globe. This is amazing channel. Remember, in our creators, I am the host of Mendy. I am now heading to Brufut, Salimentereng, Ghana town precisely. So we're giving you the update today on the feeder road that has been constructed there. It is amazing. It is unique. Don't forget to click the subscription button. That is if you are new on this channel, and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we will be posting on this channel. I'm your host about Mendy. Tada! Good morning to all our video subscribers all over the globe. This is the amazing channel, the first greatest. I am your host about Mendy. Today we are right at Ghana town. As the name implies, looking at the name, one can have a clue that it is in some way connected to Ghana as a people and as a country. This is the PIU Brufut Station, Ghana town. On my right, it's on a Sunday. I believe mass is on. Christians are worshipping. Today we are going to give you an update on this amazing feeder road. As you can see, it is spacious. Cars are parked on both sides. However, that still has not disrupted this traffic in any significant way. As I told you earlier, that the Christians are here worshiping. And looking at the drainage system, it's on both sides of the road from here. So let's see if we are going to have the same thing subsequently. But this is one of the widest feeder roads I have made an update on. Yes, so it's impressive what we have here. Don't forget, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we will be posting on this channel. I'm your host Omar Mendy. Looking at all this, it's thick. If it's all sealed, I believe it will go a long way in preventing floats. And would enhance the flow of water smoothly. This is Brufut. This road leads to Suba. In our previous video on the last feeder road, we made an update on. We started discussing the history of Brufut in relation to Salimentereng. We can still go ahead with it, or we could still go on to discuss the history of Ghana town in relation to the contributions made by the great then president of Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah. This man has contributed immensely towards the emancipation of Ghana and the Gambia, including other African countries. So if you look at the contributions made by Kwame Nkrumah, these contributions cannot be overemphasized because he gave his all, and no wonder he emphasized that the independence of Ghana will be meaningless if other African states are still under the clutches of colonialism. I'm basically paraphrasing it. It's not a quote. You see? So Kwame Nkrumah diplomatically supported the Gambia by voicing out in the General Assembly of the United Nations Organization that the Gambia deserves to govern herself. The Gambia should be free from colonial rule. Not only the Gambia, other African countries too. And Ghana also helped fund the nationalist leaders, the liberation movements. And basically, when we talk about Pan-Africanism, precisely in Africa here, we talk about the nationalist leaders going to Ghana for christening. Yes. So you have to go to Ghana to seek the blessings of Kwame Nkrumah before you lead the robust fight against the colonial or the ruthless colonial system. The likes of Salou Jawara went to Ghana. He was even given a Ghanaian name, Kwasi. You see? So if you look at the relationship that the Gambians share with Ghana, especially in the nationalist struggle, Ghanaians are welcome to the Gambia. They are part and parcel of us. And when it comes to Pan-Africanism, we do not see things like countries. We don't see things like countries. These artificial borders created by the colonial masters, going back to 1884, these things are not very important to us. Okay, so we see ourselves as Africans, as one people. So that is what is more important. The likes of Gaba Jahumpa were friends to Kwame Nkrumah, and through Gaba Jahumpa, many Gambians were granted scholarship to go and study in Ghana. And these Gambians are now, although some are late, but some are still around. And some even forged a very strong bond with Kwame Nkrumah. I think much has to be done around this area. As you can see, one lane has been taken care of, but the other lane is left untouched. So we need more gravel here. And as you can see, the feeder roads, the drainage system is wide. The drainage system is wide, and it can take a lot. Yeah, I think this road is very, very good and strategically located. Yes. So let's give you a deeper view. As you can see, it is wide. Wow. It's mysterious. So nowadays you can see anything at any time. It's not easy. But my personal assessment of this road tells me that the road is good. The road is good. And its sustainability cannot be questioned by me personally. And you know what? The same company that is constructing this road is the same company that is constructing the same road down there at Brufut, Gamtel Johnson. They are doing a great job. Yeah, I have to see their advert maybe at the end of the road. Yeah. So we continue. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we post on this channel. I'm your host, Amar Mende. So work is still in progress. Today is Sunday, so I believe they are resting. Most probably, work will continue tomorrow. This route leads straight to Suba. I intend to pass by. The Suba family is the official, the recognized custodians of Sanementere. Yeah, so let's go back to history. You see, as I was saying earlier, Brufut historically belongs to the people of Busumbala. As I was saying, uh, the people of Busumbala had their shrine here, and that is where Sanem entering. That is where their shrine used to be. So when the now custodians, the current custodians, when their ancestor left Mali and came, because he had a dream that what he sought to succeed lies here in the Gambia. You see, so he followed his dream, and some of the signs that he saw in his dream, like seeing a carcass on the top of a tree. So subsequently, he traveled all the way to the Gambia. He went to Busumbala. He saw the same signs. However, he still wanted to get to that place, and the place is Sanementere. Are you with me? So, on an annual basis, or every year, the king of Busumbala and his entourage will come to Brufut Sanementere and then sacrifice to their gods traditionally. Okay, now when he came, he would personally, then we did not have roads, we had these pathways. So, and if the king should visit the shrine, the people of Busumbala will go and clear the pathway. This is how far we have come. You see? So now when he arrived at Busumbala, he was doing that for some years. He would personally clear the pathway from Busumbala to Sanementere. So he served the people of Busumbala with great passion and discipline. And he was recognized for doing that. So sometimes he would smuggle, he would just vanish from the village and then go to Sanementere, because he knew that was his purpose. However, he did not tell them because he was a Muslim. So traditionally, if they knew his purpose of coming, he could have been killed or banished. So he kept that with him. So when he realized that he finally found the place he wanted to, he went to the place. It is said that he met with a jinn who told him, Sane Imantereng. That basically means in Manika that Sane, I'm not surprised to see you here. You see? And basically that is how the name came about. Sane Mentereng. Sane Imantereng. Sane, I'm not surprised of your visit because I was expecting that you will come. Yes, so that was how things started. So when he had that contact with the jinn, he went back to the people of Busumbala. He told the king that he wanted to go back to Mali and then bring his family because he wanted to stay. This place is being affected. I think they should do something about this before the rains come, as we are expecting it at any time. See, so that was it. He was given permission, he went back to Mali, he brought some members of his family, and he pleaded with the king to grant him a portion where he would settle with his family. So the king called on the council, his people, and he discussed with them, telling them that yes, our guest has been here with us for some years and he has served us diligently. Now he wants a plot of land from us. And they were like, like, we are all your subjects, so whatever you decide, whatever is good by you, it's okay with us too. So he ordered them to burn a portion of land. So where they burned, from the starting to where it ends, that was where it was allocated. That was the land that was allocated to him. So there was no measurement. So that was the measurement that they carry out. So they would burn the plot of land wherever this fire stops. That is the size of the land you will get. You see, Africa, Africa is beautiful. Eh? You see, now it is said that the initial land was that around Latiria. Yeah, Latiria. So his objective was to come to Sanementereng. So gradually he kept migrating, moving further towards the sea, because his dream was to get to Sanementereng. See, subsequently he came all the way from Latiria to Brufut here. And the people of Busumbala said to him, you were with us here and you served us diligently. Now, so long you are not far from our shrine, we are now going to make you the custodian of the shrine, which is Sanementereng. Gladly his mission was accomplished. You see, so he was there. He got married. You know, I told you that he took his family from Mali. He was here with the family, and the family kept growing until today. They are the custodians of Sedimentary. You see, however, that was before the Marabus attacked Busumbala and destroyed Busumbala, subsequently turning Busumbala into a Muslim settlement. The shrine of the people of Busumbala was here in Burford, Sanavintre. But nowadays, okay, we continue. I have noticed that the demolition exercise here, that is the task force also conducted a robust demolition here. The demolition here is huge. Anyway, this drainage system is done, so they just have to enclose it. So you can see, oh yeah, all these things should be put into consideration whenever roads are being constructed, because water logging affects the viability and the sustainability of the roads. I think they are doing a good job. Yeah, doing a good job. The journey continues. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we will post on this channel. I'm your host, Ahmad Mendy. Okay, now we go into the drainage. Okay. This is Brufut. Brufut is more than 500 years now. Brufut, Sanamentering, Busumbala, and Sanyang are very important places rich with history. Now here we are going straight to God Suba. Let's see. I only hope and pray that our mission for today works. The journey continues. We are right at Brufut Masjid. This is the market. We are almost at the end of this road tour. Yeah, but generally, based on my personal assessment, I'm not an expert. However, I believe the road is good. uh, looking at the drainage system too and the space that it has. I believe it will go a long way in enhancing mobility, fostering um, effective movement, and enhancing trade in this area. And the neighboring settlements too will benefit. Uh, as you can see, I was talking about the effect of the demolition exercise. All these shops were demolished. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subscription content on this channel that are